Are you ready to kickstart a healthy lifestyle in a beautiful tropical setting? Florida's Paradise Coast, including Naples, Marco Island, and the Everglades, offers you premier opportunities to restore, reboot, and revitalize. From its year-round outdoor lifestyle of magnificent natural resources along the Gulf of Mexico to its unsurpassed wellness culture, this exciting wellness destination offers happy, healthy venues, programs, and activities to suit individuals, families, and corporate groups. Check out the annual Paradise Coast Wellness Experience in January with 18 hours of fabulous health and wellness choices. Come try yoga on the beach, a swamp walk, kayak the Everglades, meditate, hike, bike, learn healthy cooking, find your purpose, claim a healthy lifestyle. Be sure to visit our calendar pages for a full list of activities at bewellinparadise.com.